Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Start with some cards and see what we get. Choose to see creative energy in everything, no matter what, and you will recognize opportunity. Clarity. Let me trust my deepest instincts in all ways, especially when matters are unclear. May my own holy intuition always guide the way. In patience, my life is unfolding in divine timing. All delays are beneficial. I'm always at the right place at the right time. I am committed to myself and fully surrender to my relationship with myself. I experience love wherever I go. Love is everywhere, and I am loving and lovable. Loving people fill my life, and I find myself easily expressing love to others. Deep replenishment, retreat, rest, be held. What can you do today to retreat and rest? As always, take in what resonates and leave out the rest. If it's not for you, it's not for you. Don't try to make it fit. Channeling. Channel your inner child. Skip, gallop, jump, hum, blow bubbles, draw with crayons. Giggle for no reason, but no whining. What will you do today to bring out your inner child? Pay attention to how it makes you feel. Illuminating stitches. Experience moments of enlightenment and gain clarity on your path. Is there something in your life that you are getting more clear about? Shamuel, light green, number 1. Happiness, vibrancy, energy, and hope. Anxiety, burdened, restless, and despair. And our last card today before we go to our little quotes. Number 15, fulfill your destiny as a cosmic change maker. What are you going to change today? Perspective 1009. Shame is a thief. It robs us of our creative spark and cripples our ability to meet life with strength and imagination. On your way to growth, you'll walk past 2 groups, a group full of fear, a group full of excitement. Who you stop and talk to is up to you. Keep going. You have to develop the ability to be disliked in order to free yourself from the prison of other people's opinions. Mark Manson. Easier said than done. Remember, you are loved and cherished. Remember to be gentle with yourself and others. Remember, you are worthy of a loving and supportive partner. And remember, everything is happening for your highest good. You're not broken, you're human. Be gentle with yourself. And the last one today, perspective number 812. A child raised on fear doesn't learn right from wrong. They learn risk assessment. They learn to ask, will I get caught? Not, is this right? Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Start with some cards and see what we get. Synchronicity is a love letter from the universe across time and space. Number 24, or it says number 6. Do you believe in synchronicities? In relationships, the biggest thing you must look for is consistency. Every time you forgive someone who is not being consistent with you, you are giving them permission to hurt you again and again. You deserve better. It's a good reminder. Divinity. Every moment is filled with divinity, so cherish it. So family, call in your tribe. You don't have to do it alone. Who do you call your soul family? Maybe it's time to add some new people to it. True love. Your wholeness and safety lie within, not from a partner, but this sovereignty actually leads to the deepest intimacy for you to stop using others. Let me stand on my own feet, dear Lord, and know true love. Gratitude. Find just one thing that you feel grateful for right now and let that gratitude pour through your body. It's a healing balm, like the warmth of the sun. Spring of beauty. My world is a spring of beauty. I nourish my spirit with music, art, and creativity that inspires me. I live a life of inspiration. Voice. I am confident in what I bring to the table. My mind holds unique ideas and perspectives that deserve their rightful place in any conversation. Pig. Maintain self-worth and self-esteem. Archangels Mary, Gabriel, and Uriel. Number 26, purity. Return to innocence. What can you do today to play with your inner child? Let's try this one. Perspective number 765. Now is the time for weirdos, artists, rebels, dreamers, and divergent thinkers. Everything that made you an outsider in the old world has prepared you to be a leader in the new world. Surround yourself with humans who create their lives, people who change more than they complain, create more than they consume. Live actively instead of accepting life as is. Find people chasing down their potential and dreams. Perspective number 654. Mistakes don't define you. How you treat yourself afterwards does. Self-compassion is the foundation of real growth. Perspective number 199. Your body never forgets how a person made your nervous system feel. Perspective by Dr. Nick. We live in a world where walking 20 minutes is considered exercise. Eating real food is called dieting. And not drinking alcohol makes you the weird one. Be different. You'll feel amazing. And the last one today. I'm going to need some of you to start getting weirder. I can't keep pulling all of the weight. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigas.